What is up, people? This is RT and welcome to another vlog. Yeah, I know I don't think I can tell you where I was since last 20 plus days.
I'm sorry.
This is the vlog for the Master Stroke Cricket Tournament that happened in my society, SLH Welfare Society, where I live. अब मैंने बता दिया है. Yeah. Before I get into the vlog, I want to say कि stick till the end of the vlog because I have an announcement to make. Plus, I have grouped this vlog especially in a way that as each minute passes by, it gets more and more interesting. So, without wasting time, just watch the intro. You're gonna be so interested to watch this vlog. Let's get started. Starting off, the tournament started at 9 a.m. in the Sunday morning. मैं थोड़ा सा लेट पहुंचा था ग्राउंड तक because last night was a Saturday night and it was weekend and you know what happens. Anyways. Okay, it was the second match between the Janisar Juniors versus Jahbaz Juniors, and have a look at how it turned out.
जाबाज की टीम मौजूद, ये बैट्समैन के मुझे 6 बॉलों में 53 रन दरकार हैं जाबाज की टीम को। फराज अपने ओवर की दूसरी बॉल करवाते हुए ऊंचा शॉट खेल दिया है और ये नुकसानदेह साबित हो सकता था।
The match was won by Janisar Juniors as they played really well, to be honest.
अपना पहला मैच जीत चुकी है जानिसार की टीम, सेलिब्रेशन करते हुए पवेलियन में वापस।
Seeing the kids play like that, I was actually astonished to see that. Moving on.
बॉलर का नाम मुझे बता देना, कोई साथ में मौजूद है। बॉलर का नाम बहुत आला मुदब्बिर कैफ, मुझे नाम बताया गया बॉलर का कैफ से भाई फायर को क्रॉस किया।
And the match was won by Team Janisar Juniors, and as they played really well, it was amazing to watch them. मजा आ रहा था। सुबह का टाइम था तो इसलिए कुछ लोग ही दिख रहे थे, but let me get you to the time. Let's flip the frames and get you to the time when it was all crowded. Excitement was just on another level. Let's just flip the frames.
ये है मैसेज SLH वेलफेयर सोसाइटी का। बहुत शुक्रिया बेटा।
अच्छा, listen, before you say कि इतने सारे लोग और majority ने मास्क नहीं पहना हुआ and all that etc things, all those arrangements were made prior to the competition. Use of sanitization gates or hand sanitizers का इस्तेमाल, and we were constantly, the commentators and people were saying to wear masks. सारे मैच रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाया था मैं because I had some works on Sunday as well. You know, I'm a web developer, तो मुझे घर वापस जाना पड़ा था. But let me take you to the places, the matches what I recorded.
और ये
Next thing, between the cricket matches, एक lucky draw का segment भी हुआ था जिसमें residents को gift hampers वगैरह मिले, and it was also quite entertaining. Oh look.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand. अगर मुझे ओके करेंगे कि आवाज सही है तो हम मोटरसाइकिल निकालेंगे।
0139।
ये है मैसेज SLH वेलफेयर सोसाइटी का। बहुत शुक्रिया बेटा, बहुत शुक्रिया। आप यहाँ पे खड़े हैं।
Now comes the part जो मेरे लिए काफ़ी special है. It was meeting up with my fans and people that really were interested in knowing कि ये कौन है जो tripod लेके ground के इर्द गिर्द घूमे जा रहा है trying to shoot and record every single thing. These were amazing moments, yaar. Please have a look at them. अपना नाम बताओ one by one.
कैफ, अस्करी, अयान, सारे
में से किसने खेला है क्रिकेट?
मैंने खेला।
यार ये कैमरा शाय पर्सन है, इसको बहुत डर लग रहा है कैमरा के सामने आने में। नाम बताओ जरा। अकबर। पहुंचे या हार गए?
अभी तो फाइनल पहुंचे हैं, अभी देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है।
थैंक यू टीम रॉकस्टार्स, आई रियली लव मीटिंग ऑल ऑफ यू। टूर्नामेंट के अलावा सोसाइटी में एक फूड कोर्ट का सेटअप भी किया था जो ग्राउंड के जस्ट एडजेसेंट टू द ग्राउंड, और उसमें सोसाइटी के रेजिडेंट्स ने फूड स्टॉल्स लगाए थे एंड दे वर सेलिंग डिफरेंट थिंग्स एंड स्नैक्स लाइक समोसे, रोल एंड सैंडविचेस एंड चिकन चाउमीन्स एंड रशियन सैलड्स एंड जूसेस, चाय भी थी। Coming over to the final segments of the vlog, the final match of the team juniors was between Team Jazba and Team Janisar, which was won by Team Janisar. Amazing gameplay by these people. These kids, they were playing like, man, if you could witness that thing, it was an amazing gameplay, to be honest. The most interesting and most entertaining part of the tournament, the final match between Team Jazba and Team Jabaz, which was like an immense, because both of these were really strong teams, and just have a look at how they played the final match.
ये बॉलर बहुत अच्छा है, इसको दोबारा ऐसा अवार्ड दिया।
The final match was won by Team Jazba as their batting lineup was really strong. We were enjoying all of it. जो अभी तुम लोग देख के भी आ रहे हो. And I got the mentor of the team, Mr. Salman Taji, and the finalist batsman, one of the final batsman pair, Mr. Saad Ahmed Khan, to say a few words for the vlog and how they were playing.
I'm Salman Khan Taji.
Yes.
This was Saad Ahmed Khan from my team.
Yeah.
And one player of my team, Iman Ali, he scored 50 runs in 4 overs.
Yeah, that was great.
Very spectacular innings. And I'm thankful to Allah that we won the first mega event, Master Stroke 2020 Cricket World Cup of this SLH Welfare Society. Thank you.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Saad, I'm the part of this team, I'm the all-rounder, and I really enjoyed this tournament, to be the part of this team, and it was a pleasure for me to be here in this team.
How do you feel after winning?
Actually, we all enjoyed this. To be honest, I was
Obviously
sitting with
excited.
Jawad and congratulations again.
Congratulations to the team. You guys played really well. ओए अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है, कहाँ जा रहे हो? Wait. अभी एक फाइनल सेगमेंट बाकी है, द लकी ड्रॉ फॉर द रेसर बाइक, एंड जिसमें हमारे साथ CEO of Saima Builders and Developers, Mr. Zishan Zaki, was also present, and it was also a fun thing. He said a few words for the society and all that. Or lucky draw was also good, and just have a look. These are final segments.
तो ये हमारे लिए बड़ी ही एक शॉकिंग बात है कि माशाल्लाह कि इस तरह से मतलब कि इतने बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर माशाल्लाह सब लोग में इतनी यकजहती है और इतने अच्छे तरीके से इवेंट को यहाँ पे आज किया गया और माशाल्लाह इस तरीके से ये बात तक पहुँचा।
निशान ज़की साहब SLH वेलफेयर सोसाइटी थैंक यू जिशान जक्की साहब। तो सबसे पहले उन बाइक के लिए रेसर बाइक जिशान जक्की साहब एक नंबर कॉल करेंगे।
Okay, and this vlog's come to an end right now. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and if you guys made it here, if you're still watching, I love you so much, every single one of you, and it is because of you guys that I'm able to do things that I'm doing. If you guys still haven't done that, please go follow me on Instagram, because in 20 दिनों में I'm sorry, मुझे गायब नहीं होना चाहिए था, ये मेरी टिटाई है कि मैं थोड़ा सा कुछ excuses दे रहा हूँ, but I am more active on Instagram. I was there, present, active, replying to DMs, replying to stories, having fun games with you. वहाँ एक अलग ही दुनिया है मेरी और तुम लोगों की, जो लोग वहाँ पे हैं और जो लोग नहीं हैं, please join me on Instagram, follow me there. Stay happy, keep smiling, अपना ख्याल रखें. अगले व्लॉग में इंशाल्लाह मिलता हूँ. उसका भी जो Instagram पे है उनको पता है कि अगला व्लॉग किस बारे में है, तो you guys are missing out on a lot of things if you're not following me on Instagram. Care, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz. Arti signing off. Bye.